Here we go again. Out that young swag and surf beat. Check it. Yeah. I let these chicks know up front that I ain't got no feelings. They wanna flip me upside down like walking on the ceiling. But I ain't trying to get nothing but sexual healing. So catching me in love is like 1 in a million. Like Aaliyah said, now these chicks mad. It's like they never heard a word that a nigga said. Don't blame me, shawty blame the liquor. Every time I drink more, shawty ass is thicker. So I'm drinking quick, and I'm drinking quicker. With an ass like that, a nigga had to pick her. I'm talking J-Lo, I'm talking Kim Kardashian. With a fine face, and a fat old ass. So I swagged in, and I surfed out. She said I was fine then, but I'm a jerk now. You a jerk! You a jerk! I know. They call me Tim, man, cause they can't get my heart. It's like trying to kill an ant with a fucking dart. Suck on my butterfinger, baby, call me Bart. Two of everything, yeah, shawty know it's dark. There's too many people in this world that dwell on just one. Be like me, stress-free and just have fun. But don't get me wrong, I never love a fucking runner. I like my chicks young, but they pretty much younger. That mean they sexual partners is 18 and under. Anything more just make a nigga wonder. How hot was the shit during the fucking summer? And having a baby young just make you look dumber. You better love you having sex, you didn't use the rubber. Now your whole teenage life is a blunder. But don't take it personal, baby, I'm just rapping. And please believe I know mistakes do fucking happen. So like we gonna say, just live your life. Cause we never know we're gonna make it through the fucking night. I'm living great, I'm living nice. You can do it too if you pay the price.